Trust Escondido Glass Company for stellar service and crystal clear results. Family owned and operated since 1948, our local business offers a wide variety of products and services ranging from window replacements and installations to shower enclosures, mirrors, windows, screens, and more. Upgrade your home with a beautiful new heavy glass shower enclosure or energy-efficient windows and doors. Whether you're looking to repair, replace, or retrofit, Escondido Glass can make your visions a reality. Our full-service shop is equipped with a highly trained team boasting decades of experience. With our unparalleled attention to detail and precision in our industry, we're dedicated to exceeding your expectations.
In this age of impersonal big box stores, it's nice to know there's still locally owned businesses with experts who can provide for your glass services, and that's been my experience with Mike O'Donnell and Escondido Glass going over about 30 years now.
We go the extra mile to provide each of our customers with exceptional service and unforgettable results. Escondido Glass Company, the clear choice for your home and business solutions.